Hello, today I'm trying to cover learning reference operator in C++, and let's have our Visual Studio project. I use this new project and C++ Hello World project. Okay, that's this small introduction. When I run this code runs perfectly and prints this learning reference operator in C++. We don't need this one anymore. I'm gonna move this to here as a command. Okay, so I don't need anymore this one. And let's create a variable string, let's say name. Okay, and I'm going to assign it Murat. So what's happening in the memory? If there's a computer memory we are going to use, let's make this a bit larger. So if I have this static memory, let me use this black, and this one, this is static memory. I will create this. This is the memory location anywhere in this one, which is this is variable name is name, and the value it holds is Murat. Okay, that's it. And this is, if you think this variable is pointing to this one. Okay, dokie. So when I come here and create another string and alias to this one, okay, and I will be just making this equal to, I don't assign anything. I mean, if I do this and create name, what will happen? This another variable is created in this case, like this, and what value in here copied, and this is not real alias because it is just, using this another variable, but this is not what we want. So we would like to have this guy to point to this same guy. So I'm going to undo whatever I have done and show you one error first. So if I put here ampersand, this will be alias to this guy, but if I run it, you will see an error here. It says alias reference must be initialized. Okay, this should be initialized in the reference variable. So I should say you will be holding name. So what happened now in this case, I have another variable called alias. Okay, and it will be pointing to, actually it will have only one memory location for this, both of them. Okay, dokie, Murat. So to show this, let me print out cout name and tab I'm going to use, and then alias. Let's print this one with end line and say run this, and you will see Murat and Murat next to each other. Okay, okay, two Murats. So if I come here and change only the alias and make this Sedat, okay, like this, and try to print both of them again after this change, you will expect to see both of them should be changed to Sedat and Sedat, because all of them is pointing to the same location. So when I change this Murat to Sedat, okay, so it will be Sedat, no longer Murat is there. So that's called in C++ alias. This in a nutshell is alias, but how can you use this one? You can use it in a function. So if I create a void change my name, and I'm going to send a function, this doesn't matter, name or alias, to, for example, when I come here, change my name as a function, I'll pass name. And currently, if you look at this function is not accepting anything, I will say string, I'm passing name, but I'm going to use now just, a name to, show you the difference. So if let me comment out this part. You already got it. So currently what I'm doing is I'm sending this name, which is this guy, to here, and later on I'm going to say a name is equal to, let me put here Suat, another name. Okay, when I run this, let me do with F10 debugging. So here we go, F10, so name, and we set this, and I will branch into with F11 and say a name, and when I come back, you will see still Murat. Okay, why? Because a copy is created, because this is pass by value to here. Okay, this is called pass by value. If I want to make this pass by reference, I should use ampersand. So this will be let me go and stop this one. And done. And when I run this now with F10, you will see in a second. Okay, you want to see this. So F10, F10. So F11. Now this a name actually. This is if you'll see this Murat is actually this. Now we created Alias. This is a name also pointing to the same guy, which is this memory location. There is only single memory. So when I change name to SWAT, this will be SWAT. Let's use different color now. SWAT. Make it green. So this will be SWAT. When I come back, even though I don't return anything, this will be changed to SWAT and SWAT. So the advantage of using pass by reference, you don't allocate additional memory locations, so it will be faster. The risk of using Alias is if some function you don't trust, if you send it as a reference, this may change the value of it, and you will have side effect in here. But there's a solution for that. If you don't want this guy to change this, you can put here constant. You get the luxury of memory and speed. But if you look at now, we have a problem here. Why? The problem is says you said I'm not going to change a name, but you are trying to change it. So the compiler catches this. This is good. Okay, this compile time error because you are not supposed to change this. So what you can do is you can just print access and use the value, but you are not allowed to, alter it. You are not allowed to alter it. So you can do it, this printing, but you cannot change my name. This is not print my name. The best to be print my name. Okie dokie. Hope this is all clear. Pass this reference operator, and where do we use it? Thanks.